Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about hoverable table in HTML CSS. You will need to use the hover selector on TR element to highlight table rows on mouse over. So I'm going to show you how this works together just to highlight table rows. So back to our document, and this is our document. This is what we got previously in our previous tutorial. As you can see, when we hover on this, nothing is happening yet, as you can see. So we want to create a cool effect with this. So we are going to select our TR element. So let me show you the TR element where it is. This is the table row element, which is the TR element, which we enclose our table data. This is our three table data. TD, opening and closing, opening and closing. Can you see? So we have four lines of it. So we want to select it. We want to select just this TR. So, and the TR is also inside is also the one that we enclose the TH element, also table header element also on. So let's put it inside. Now let's write TR and give it hover effect. This hover, after giving it hover, we are going to do like this. I'm going to give it background. Let's give it background color of let me give it background color of gold. Yes, I'll give it gold rod. Let me give it gold rod. So let's reload our document and see what we got. When I reload now, keep looking. Can you see? When I hover my mouse on this, can you see how it's changing? The cool effect is so nice. See the cool effect. So this can be used for anything. Even we can give it on click or whatsoever, any kind of animation. This is so nice. So as you can see, now we are having hoverable effect in our HTML CSS document. Can you see how it's looking so nice? So to do this, every time you have to do this, you have to select the table row, which is the TR element, and give it over. This we have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial on CSS over to be able to understand more things you need to know about the over. So I think we are done. You can check the color also, but one thing I want us to experiment something right here. This caption right here, if you notice very well, when I hover on it, this caption right here, nothing is happening. Let us now do something. Let's manipulate this, and again something about to happen. Let's save our document and reload. Now can you see? When I hover on it, can you see nothing is happening? Definitely this, no matter what, this caption, you can't do anything like multiple selector with it, or else you can control it personally. I want to show you something. You can control it by itself. That's why I show you that. So now when you use caption right, you can now give it its own hover. You understand? After giving it its own hover, you can now give it background color. If you want, if you wish, you can inherit the background color from there. But if you want, you can just have this. Let's give it green. Let's give it green. Let's see what will happen now when we hover on it. Let's reload our document first. Now let's hover on our table data. Can you see our head section also? Now caption. Can you see? Now we're having it. So and we can change the color immediately when we hover on it. Let's give it white color. We'll give it white. Let's give it color white. So let's give it color white. I'm purposely doing this so you guys can be able to use this in case you need it urgently. So can you see when I hover on it? Can you see now it's turning to white? Can you see when I hover on it, it's turning to white? So and we can control the size of the border also. You can check our CSS border to be able to follow along easily. We have discussed about a lot on this. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you.